Did you know that space is not completely silent? Astronauts and scientists have recorded strange and mysterious sounds from the cosmos. These sounds come from various sources, like planets, stars, and even black holes. For example, Saturn's rings create a series of radio emissions that sound like eerie notes. Then there are the haunting whines from the pulsar stars, which are like cosmic lighthouses sending beams of radiation. Scientists study these sounds to learn more about our universe. What do you think these sounds would look like? Imagine how they might dance in the dark vacuum of space. Follow us for more fascinating space facts and let your imagination soar.